Welcome to FullSpec Motors, where every detail drives passion. Front view. Mahindra XUV700 AX7 stands tall as a bold and modern SUV crafted to blend performance with luxury. The front view features a striking grille with chrome accents flanked by sleek LED headlamps and signature C-shaped DRLs that light up the road with confidence. Side profile. Moving to the side profile, you'll notice the strong body lines, a floating roof design, flush smart door handles and dual-tone diamond-cut alloy wheels that add to its futuristic presence. Rear view. From the rear, the XUV700 AX7 boasts arrowhead LED tail lamps, a roof spoiler and a muscular bumper, giving it a sporty yet commanding road look. Full exterior angle. In a full exterior angle, the SUV reflects premium design language with balanced proportions, high ground clearance and a wide, confident stance that's ready for highways or urban roads. Interior dashboard view. Inside, the dashboard is clean and premium with twin HD screens, one for the infotainment and the other for the digital instrument cluster, wrapped in soft touch leather trim and ambient lighting for a tech luxury vibe. Steering and display. The steering wheel is leather-wrapped, flat-bottomed and packed with mounted controls. The digital cluster behind displays maps, speed alerts and safety visuals for a complete driving focus. Seats and comfort. Seats are wrapped in premium beige leather with ventilation and electric adjust for the front row. The second row offers generous legroom and rear AC vents, keeping all passengers comfortable. Glass roof. The panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, offering a true open sky feel, ideal for both city and adventure drives. Wheels and brakes. Its alloy wheels are bold and wide, ensuring road grip, while disc brakes all around offer confident stopping power. Tech and features. The XUV700 AX7 is loaded with tech features like the Adreno X interface, built-in Alexa voice commands, over-the-air updates, Sony 3D surround sound and a massive infotainment touchscreen. Safety features. When it comes to safety, the SUV comes with 7 airbags, ABS with EBD, ESP, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring and advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control and emergency braking. Battery and performance. Powered by a 2.0L turbo petrol or 2.2L diesel engine with up to 200 horsepower, the SUV delivers strong performance, smooth automatic transmission and drive modes that adapt to your terrain. Final look and price. Finally, the Mahindra XUV700 AX7 blends design, comfort and technology in one complete package.